What's going on, YouTube? How y'all doing? This shit is gonna be a bit long. We're back today. We're gonna do some back tests. I don't edit any of this video or try to fix anything or try to cut out anything. But yeah, I'm just gonna be showing the whole back testing from creating to letting just ChatGPT pick date and everything. But yeah, let's get it going. All right. Nope. Yeah, so we're right here. We gotta let ChatGPT choose a date first of all before anything. So yeah. 100K, that's it, ES and NQ. Wow, no. Hey ChatGPT, pick a date, a year, and a month from 2021 until 2026 February.
All right, let's go with something from the middle. How about February 14th, 2024? That lands us right in the middle of that range, and hey, it's Valentine's Day too.
Okay, and we're gonna do 2 weeks. Actually, let's do until March. Yeah, let's do until March. It's just all-time high. It's not bad. I'm gonna refresh the whole thing because it be glitching. So. Alright. Anyways, we are pretty bullish on this. Did we get into that gap? We're in the gap too. Okay. We're still bullish. I would like to see price tapping all the way to here. You know. We can put TP. TP's not, wait, I don't got TP safe. TP. Alright. So first TP can be there. That's what I think. Okay. First of all, I'm already off. This is not even New York session. This is New York session. All right. Perfect. My fault. Still bullish. We're in this. If I get right there, but are we respecting that? No, we're not. Okay. We're still bullish on this. So I would like price to tap to these right here. You know. And then maybe we can take profit up here. If it does want to push it a bit more, which we won't go there. But yeah, on the 15-minute, we can mark it. Okay. Yeah, this should be clean. We can go 1 minute movement. Okay. Okay. Now let's see what ES really got for us today. We're in that fair value gap. This one is getting kind of disrespected now. But we can go on here, scale down a little bit lower. Liquidity got hit. No type of confirmation to the downside yet. This fair value gap got respected. Oh, no, this small fair value gap got respected right here. But, okay. Similar shit with NQ. Maybe it can come all the way down here, but most likely not. And then the 15-minute, we can see something else. Yes, something. Yeah, this is the only chance it has. And then boom. And we can look at what really happened in previous. So this was 19 right here. Boom. This is London lows. Asian lows. This is Asian highs is right here. Got swept. Okay, we can still look for bearish though. I'm not tripping about this one, but it's just if we're gonna go for bearish, we have to tap all the way here. Um, yeah. So, me personally, I'm looking for a bullish. We can just see what really happened. Okay. Okay, that one tapped into that. Perfect. Um, 9:30. Yeah. This one tapped, and I don't know about this one. I don't know what's going on, but so we got an IFEG right here, I believe. It's pretty small, but yeah, that's a confirmation that price is going to the upside now. It's into that version too. Price did tap right here, not too long ago. So maybe price can come down here just to get that equilibrium, because I don't see anything else as of right now. Yeah. Okay, this is perfect for ES. I'm not gonna lie. A bullish candle would take us up. Nope. Okay. Okay. Maybe this one equilibrium want to hit, but let's see if we can target more lower, because I can't believe we went all the way to this. This is a huge SMT. That's good though. It's good that it went all the way down here. That gives us more reason why both of them want to move together. Okay, bullish right there. I don't want ES to take that before. This is chop. Well, no trade. It is looking like wrong bias in my opinion. Like, okay, equilibrium got hit though, but let's see. Okay, now I got respected. Like, what am I watching? What am I watching? I mean, that's equilibrium too, you could say. But there's a huge SMT. Like, look at this. Just look at that. Huge SMT. Yeah, this could be an issue. So we need an IFG right here. That's what I want for this to actually be a good trade. We get an IFG in there right there. That shit would be chill. So I already broke structure to the upside, and it already probably respected equilibrium. Yep, and it just started respecting it. But low key, I just need this IFG, and then we can see what can happen after. Okay, let's see if we can mark any higher time frame. And this is the only one we have. So this is the laggiest index. So the only thing we can do is this. We can take a negative RR, but that's not worth it. On this one we can take one, but as soon as it take profit, we can take it out. So let's just pull our entry like this. We're gonna go super low. Actually, 50%, 0.50%. Anyways, like as soon as I hit take profit, I'm gonna take it out. I don't know if it took profit. It left equal high. Fuck. Yeah, let's put it break even, because if we put up break even is better. I could take it down, whatever, it doesn't matter. But that's a whole equal high. Yeah, it's cool. We're not in the trade, so we can see what really happened. Yeah, that would take us out. Yeah. It's cool. Next day, forgot to check news too. This is the 16th, February 2024. 16. Yeah, Friday's my worst day, so let's see what the fuck this should give us. This is some dumb shit. Anyways, 8:30 news. Okay, we had news. Okay, that makes sense why. So we had news. Okay. 8:30 on this one, and then 10. Let's mark this real quick because I like doing that. So like the 8:30 news is already a big ass candle. What really happened over here? Low got swept. The high was here. London highs up here. Inversed. It's bullish, but let's tap into that. Yeah, so we can still target for this higher time frame, cause there's only a breaker restriction, no type of confluence that can for sure bring it back. But we can see what ES is saying too. So this is gonna be the 15-minute. And then we have this 15-minute low. Yep, that's all we needed. Okay. What do we have here? Bullish 4 hour, good. We disrespected that gap, good. IFEG happening right here. Hit this liquidity, good. I'm liking this. Yeah. It also respected this big gap. Oh my goodness. Same thing here. You know, we got to see the 15-minute. I'm telling you, I'm only going to move off the 15-minute because this is giving me both, you know? And then we can also mark that. I don't know. News got to do something for this one. So, alright, 15-minute on that. What do we got on this 15-minute? Okay. We got to mark this high. Okay. We're getting an SMT as of right now. Okay. Let's not open and give us a quick break restriction. So, and then we also got the fair value gap, so should be good. This doesn't look bad to me. Okay, this respected the fair value gap. This one didn't. Okay, this is the laggy index though, so we gotta go off this one. We could take half profits through the whole time, you know. But let's see. Let's go. Let's go 1,000 risk. It doesn't look bad to me. Like, but like we also got news, so we could low-key wait for that news. So like at this first one, I'm gonna take half profit. Okay, I'm gonna take 25. I'm gonna move my stop loss right here. . I'm gonna take a. Okay, this looked too obvious to drop all the way down. But still, I gotta manage about. Should I take 50 or I'm gonna take 50 on this one, and then I'm gonna put this in profit. $60 in profit, and then this should be clean. Yep. This is damn near a 4RR. You understand? You see that? But this is like the obvious trades. This happened back in January 2026. It was the most easiest short I ever seen in my life. This is another easy short I ever seen in my life again. But yeah, should be going. It should be going lower. I don't think so. Yeah, he has still got these. So we could have really targeted all the way. Oh my goodness, what the heck? This was a crazy ass day. Nigga, what the fuck? He has took these bitches. God damn, nigga. Nah, still though, look at this. Like, this is some crazy RR. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, it's not bad. We're up 2K. Let's go to the next thing. This one is gonna be on the 19, 17, 19. It's bank holiday, so we could just skip that. Nothing really going on the 20. So let's just see what it shows. Okay, I see pretty bearish. Maybe we can go all the way to these lows. Maybe I see something right here too. Pretty bearish too. Wow, this is some crazy shit going on today. No type of liquidity beside this one, and I don't think it has reversed it to nope. No type of breaker structure at all. But anyways, we can mark this high. We'll mark this high. We can mark this high for TP. And then these ones you can call them liquidity. Damn, I don't even have the 1 hour liquidity thing, whatever it's called. Anyways. But yeah, this shouldn't be a crazy day. Okay. We also can mark this high. Yep. And I don't like this low right here. I don't like the IFEG right there. I might give us a little trace back for what's it called, for the 5 minute. We might get an equilibrium just because of that, or if I get tapped in, then it will make sense to go to the downside a bit more. This one we already been in it. We respected it once. I like it. It doesn't look bad to me. But yeah, let's see. And let me mark this because everything matters. I'm telling you, everything matters in this shit. And now we can see what happens. Okay. It hit that. Let's see if this one can hit that top. Okay. Perfect. And then we can call this SMT diversion. Oh, this one didn't tap it fully. Okay, let's go. Let's go. My fault. But still, if we look at the 15 minute, this one got hit. This one hasn't got hit. So, me personally, I call this SMT diversion. This is some clean one. The other one is going the opposite. The other one is going the opposite. I'm just yapping, you know. But yeah, I like yapping. Anyways, IFEG, for the IFEG guys, which I don't like the strategy because it's a bit risky. Oh. Yeah, we gotta wait for one more. Is this an IFEG? Is it 560? 560. Yeah, it's not. Okay, clean. This is what we needed. So remember what I said? This one is gonna take it back to for a retracement. Even though I said it's gonna be for the 5 minute, but still, y'all see that happen. Cooking. Oh my goodness. Now I probably should go back just because of this one. Give me a good entry. Or take those low without me. Fuck you. Okay, we got one. I don't know if we'll go all the way here though. Like, you bugging. Okay, 5 minute right there. 5 minute right here. Let's see if we can respect that. Then we will actually enter for these low. Even though ES is closer. I don't know. I don't like this. If it take this profit, like without it going to the 5 minute, fuck this shit. I don't want it. Yeah, I don't want that. I don't want that, boy. I don't want that. I don't want that. Cause okay, let's say this fair value gap we got tapped in, right? Okay, what are we gonna do? Put our stop loss here and take this profit? Yeah, it might still hit, but like that's heavy risk because price can always come back to this fair value gap right here because we broke structure right here, and then go down. Like it will take you out and then go down. So like that's why I was like, okay, I need price at least. If I was to find an entry right here, around here, like my stop loss would be above the fair value gap because I know damn well that price is most likely to revisit the fair value gap, especially if it's a higher time frame than the time frame you're in. But yeah, no trade on this day. We go on the next day. Wow, this is some crazy ass news. 910. Okay. I got a feeling. Okay, what happened? We can look at the whole session. Start here. Yeah, London highs. I mean, Asian highs still up there. Um, okay, Asian lows got swept. Asian highs still up there. Asian lows got swept. Okay, I'm guessing the same thing here. This is Asian. This is London still. Okay, Asian high up there. London high. Asian low and London low already got swept. So I'm gonna assume it's already bullish, but let's see what I'm seeing. Okay, price came here to the okay breaker structure right there. Well, this candle is still happening, so we can't really see the breaker structure yet. But this got swept. Okay. What are we seeing? Breaker structure right here. And then it broke to the downside. Let's just give me more reason to go to the downside. It's okay. We can target this. Wow. So we have two liquidity right here to just take out. Oh, actually, we got a bit more. What is going on? What the heck am I watching, bro? Magnet, is that powerful? Damn, that shit ain't even straight. Yeah, everything got taken out though. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, if price hit here first, I swear to God, I'm taking that fucking long. Okay, because we do got some good high liquidity to hit. This is some this is some good shit right there. Anyways, let's get look at this. It's bearish. That's what I see. It's so fucking bearish, bro. Yeah. Like I said, if price hit these lower way before, it's definitely gonna be a long. But my bias is currently short though, off what I see on market. But yeah, let's see. The 15-minute, what do we have? We can go one more. Okay. I already said what I said, so we're just going long. 15-minute. So 15-minute, okay. Let me see. No breaker structure yet. I don't see anything. Bro, ES is fucking around. That's not a fair value gap either. Yo, what am I watching? This is some nuts. Okay, finally. Oh my god. So we got a breaker structure on ES and Q, and we also have a big SMT diversion just to show you that. It's gonna be around. Or you can do the other candle to whatever candle, any candle. Um, and then don't forget we had news at 10, right? The 21st at 10 or 9 something. Yeah, that's not gonna do anything for us. Anyways, we got a good break of structure to the upside on the 1 minute. That's good. I like that. Okay, we've been had that one right here. It's good. Okay, we just need to inverse that. Then this one, it doesn't look that bad. But I do want to take my trade on ES low key. Okay, this shit bugging. Okay, that's tapped then. Perfect. This is all I needed. God damn. So we have this one lower low, we have this fair value gap, and then I can just put it below here. And then this one is gonna be a very like good RR. Me personally, I like this one. We could look at put it right here, but it's okay. Let's just be a bit safe. We can go 1%. First take profit. We can take this. I was thinking to take this, but it's cool. Okay. I respected it. Perfect. Yeah, you better. Okay, it took us out. And it disrespected this. That was a good trade. Not bad. I'm gonna get back with y'all for a little. Give me a second. Okay. Let's wrap it up. We lost it. Either way, market was bearish for the whole day, but it's just after it took those lows. Okay, we were like, yeah, but it's probably going down to the last liquidity. Or just call it a horrible price action. Anyways, give me a second. Let me put my phone on charge. Okay. 4 hour, what do we have? Oh my goodness. We are all-time high, I believe. Yep. All-time high. Boom. We're very bullish. I don't know what the fuck to do on all-time high. Let's go on this one. ES. We're gonna take the trade on ES either way. I don't care. ES, we're also bullish. 4 hours bullish. Okay. The 1 hour, what's it showing? Still in a liquidity, whatever it's called. And then again, we're in a, I don't even know what the code is. In my reverse right here, who knows? So again, we're in the middle of bias. Like we can go up or down. We don't know. But the next stop could be around here, in my opinion. But yeah, we got that low swept, looking good. Got this. Now let's just hope that this shit doesn't get swept first. But on the 1 hour on this one, okay, this is looking good. Anyways, 15-minute. Like any news? Okay. Any news? 20-second. Why is it doing that? Okay, 9:45. Okay, 9:45, 8:30. So 8:30 right here. We can also mark that. We gotta go on a 5-minute though. That's news right there. And then on this one, it already been swept, so we already have an SMT. Let's just mark. Boom, boom. And what happened previous session? Damn. If we dump all the way to these, this shit gonna be nuts. But anyways, 15-minute. We didn't mark the highs. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that. We already have some big ass SMTs in the upside, but let's see. Perfect. I don't know what this shit doing, but perfect on this side. I like what I'm seeing. Yeah. Listen, you gotta like what you see. Big SMTs. Broke structure, right? Yeah. So if not, we can do this. Now let's get one more bearish candle. Yep. Then we can take that trade out right there. This one I'm barely seeing shit, so should I wait? Okay. SMT, another breaker section to the side. Yo, I'm seeing both sides. This one is just telling me another thing. This one is telling me the other thing. Like, and we can look at it on the 5 minute too. So that gave us a bullish. Okay, we can go back. So this gave us an IFG now. So we can look at it. That's a whole IFG on the 5 minute. Okay, first entry could have been right here. It's okay, we can get back at it. We're gonna go like this. This is the first low, second low right there, and then we can go for these high. That's still not the best RR, but we can go for yeah, because this is kind of risky-ish. And then we can go for that full hit. Yeah, not bad. It's definitely gonna go there. Yeah. Yeah, I expected that, huh? Yeah. Not gonna lie, this shit is nuts. Again, this is some session that I don't like. The trade that I just took, I wouldn't even take a trade in that day, like in real life. I just have to take it because I'm trying to finish as much as possible before I get off. I gotta get off in a little. Where have you been? Oh my life. Oh my life. La di di da. La di di da. Bullish what I see. Bullish what I see. What the fuck is this? All time high. All time high. Bullish what I see. All time high. All time. Yep, both of them gonna be all time high. What the fuck, bloody sucky mucky. Bloody sucky. What is this, brother? And they're all gonna be all time high, bro. This is not. I'm not gonna lie. There's no trade to be taken on this one. The 23rd. What do we got on the 23rd? No news. Wow. Yeah, this shit just. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, no. Let's just skip that. Perfect. This is what we want to see. Wow. Wow, life is good. Life is good, man. So we see this 4-hour bearish candle. Disrespected that. Perfect. Okay. Why the fuck is it bullish on this one? Huh? Again, what? You know, like I'm assuming this is an equilibrium in my opinion. Like we can just go boom boom. You know what I'm saying? This is like equilibrium trying to get hit. It's like equilibrium want to get hit. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna look for shorts on this one. So let's just mark this, the 15-minute. Give me a second. Okay. La di di da. La di di da. La di di da. Oh, it was not even on my face. You told me the whole time it wasn't even on my face? You're bugging. You're bugging. Shit crazy. Oh, I'm getting a call. Hold on, let me go on mute. This is gonna be the last one. I have to go. Yeah, let's get these shorts, you know? If we do get these shorts, it will be awesome. But yeah, this is still in a gap. That's why I am saying we can still go short. The same thing on this one. All right, let's go one move. Perfect. Equilibrium. Okay. Perfect. We can scale down now. This is the best time to scale down. Yep, IFEG. Brr. Brr. And then this one having broke structure. You know, fucking ES. ES we're doing dumb. I swear to God, ES be doing some dumbass shit every time. Anyways. Okay, finally we broke structure on ES. Perfect. This is what you call life, brother. Brother, this is what you call life, brother. I'm confident, guys. This is the last trade, dude. I'm confident. But anyways, we win this, lose this. It don't matter. First take profit right there. Okay, we can take. It's kind of risky. Hold on. Let's see what's this one taking. It hasn't took nothing. It hasn't took nothing. It could take this first too. Okay, we could take 25 on this one. It's okay. It's okay. We can take 25. We're gonna be alright. Okay, we can move the stop loss right here. Actually, another take profit right there. Let's take another 25. And now we can move our shit to right here. 250. If this reversed completely, yeah. Yes, I inversed it. I don't like this. Yeah, I did an IFAG. Low-key is better to fucking move it down here. Let's get that $300 on top. Yeah, it took me out. Anyways, good trade, not bad. A good RR right here. A 1-to-1. But anyways, that's it for today. I have to leave. I will try to get more, but it's still 80% win rate right there. You guys see that? I don't know how many trade I took. Probably like 4 wins and 1 loss. Yeah, it was 4 wins, 1 loss. This is a big loss. This is not considered a win though. I'm not gonna lie. It's just a break even. Okay, 1 break even, and then 3 win and 1 loss. And you guys see how many days I be skipping. I barely be trading every single day, bro. Like there's days I'd be like, nah. Like so like you could say my strategy worked for obvious trade, and the obvious trade will get you a lot, my nigga. I'm talking about like this is not even like a good risking. You know, like I'm risking not too much on this one. Same thing on here. This is probably heavy risk, you know. But this strategy is always guaranteed between 70 to 90% win rate. On a good week, it will be 90%. On a horrible week, the least it can go is 67 win rate. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. You guys have a good one. I have to leave, but next video is for sure is going to be way longer than this one. You guys have a good one.